Okay, Cal, it's time. Let's open the box from Nana. Okay, Josh, go ahead.
Newspaper. I see something. Josh and Cal.
What is it, stickers?
Pteranodon.
Pteranodon?
Yeah, the pteranodon.
Oh, cool. What is, oh yeah, stickers.
Candy! A lot of stuff!
What?
Candy! What candy, Mommy? I have to have it.
Is there another one? There probably is. Nana's good about getting it. Yep, see, there's another one. She's good about making sure you guys have stuff to share.
Look at Mommy.
Oh, look, that one has your names on it.
No fair.
Yep.
No fair. Cal's look, it works better. And that's mine.
I think it's just a different sound. Maybe it needs new batteries. We'll check out the batteries in a little bit. We'll see what else is in there. Ooh, what's that? Ooh!
What is this?
That looks like a fun game.
We blow into these and they go out. Wait, can I have this candy?
After nap time, you cannot have it right now. Okay?
Hey, Joshy, there's candy. Hey, Joshy, look at this, Joshy. And look at this. And look at this.
What is it? Let me see. I was just looking at your faces. I didn't even see it. Oh, those are awesome. They're huge paper clips.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
With tigers.
With tigers, your favorite animal. So cool.
Hey, this is for me.
Yep. It has your name on it.
Hey, my things is right here.
Let's see what else is in there.
Josh and
There's
Cal.
so much stuff. Oh my goodness. Some miscellaneous stickers. Awesome for Halloween. Oh, and all kinds of stuff.
A notebook for me.
You love notebooks. Can I see the front?
More candy, Mommy.
Cool.
Can I open these?
You only love the candy.
Can I open this?
No, it's for after nap time.
And one for Cal, too.
Oh, you got one too, Cal? Cool.
And another one.
What?
And
another one. Nana wrote your name on there. How cool.
Oh. We both have 2 notebooks.
Yeah.
Awesome. What is this? Look what Cal got.
What is it? Is it a noisemaker?
Yeah.
Cool.
And one for me too.
Woohoo!
Whose are for these?
Flip flops.
Yeah. These ones are for Cal,
Mm-hmm.
and these ones are for me.
It's so cool you know how to read. That's awesome, huh?
Awesome. This is really good one. And then candy.
Whoa. Whoa, that is too much candy, Nana.
And
What are we going to do with all that?
these two.
Whoa. Okay, boys, can you look into the camera and say thank you so much to Nana?
Thank you so much and a lot. Can you give me it?
Say thank you to Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Say I love you.
I love you. Can you help me, Mommy?
After nap time, baby.